Welcome to Be Yog, Be Your Own Guide. Today is day 10 of the 30-day morning meditation series. Let's begin with the practice for the day. Today, I want to invite you into a short, simple practice to start your day with ease. And so, wherever you're sitting, close your eyes if that feels comfortable and bring your awareness and focus inside, in the body. And just notice where your attention, your awareness goes when I say that. Where do you go within your body when I ask you to bring awareness inside, within? And now holding holding awareness of wherever you went inside. So holding awareness of that and also bringing awareness to your sitting bones, your hips, and the seat below you, the seat that you're sitting on, the contact between the two seats. Feel into that seat, and on your seat, on the stable seat, allow yourself, your spine to straighten up, straight and supple, shoulders open. And as you're breathing, allow each breath to go deeper, a little deeper than the last one, a little gentler than the last one. Breathing in to the depth towards the pelvic floor. And then breathing out, releasing, relaxing. We'll take a few breaths of that. Breathing in, creating space into the pelvic floor. Breathing out through the nose, gentle, soft, easy release and relaxing. Then once more, breathing in and gentle, paced out, breathing out. And now breathing normally. I invite you to bring your awareness to the center of your body, the center of your being. And this does not have to be an exact location. Just come, bring your awareness to your center. And this could be somewhere at the solar plexus chakra, which is about 4 fingers above the navel, or this could be somewhere around the heart chakra, which is somewhere at the center of the chest. So you can also put one hand on the heart chakra, one on the solar plexus chakra, and check in with yourself. Where does it feel your center is in this moment for now? Wherever you find your center, it could also be somewhere else. You could feel it's somewhere between the heart chakra and the solar plexus chakra, and that's fine too. The right answer is your experience. So finding that center in your being in this moment and staying there for a few breaths. Breathing from the center of your being. And now from here, being here at the center of your being, allow yourself to become aware of the external world around you. So allow yourself to become aware of the light beyond your eyelids, closed eyelids if your eyes are closed. Become aware of the sounds in the space. And if there is no sound at all, notice the sound of silence. And then become aware of the smell. And again, just like the sound, if there is no smell, become aware of the smell that is beyond explicit smells that we usually pay attention to. Become aware of the taste on your tongue right now. Become aware of the, the air outside touching your body, the temperature on your skin touching your skin. And notice how, as you may have started becoming aware of these external pieces, you may have lost touch with your center. And that's absolutely okay. So now, with mindful awareness, staying in the center, and staying in the center, becoming aware of the external world from your center. And then you may choose one of the senses, two of the senses, or all five senses, whatever you were able to manage in this moment while staying at the center of your being. Staying at the center of your being, become aware of the light. Staying at the center of your being, become aware of the sounds. Staying at the center of your being, become aware of the smell. Staying at the center of your being, become aware of the taste. And staying at the center of the being, of your being, become aware of touch. With the next breath in, allow space to get created at the center of your being. Space held through the stability of your seat. Open, safe space held on the stability of your seat. And as you go about the day to day, let's hold a small little intention. As I go about my day to day, may I remember coming to the center of me, coming to the center of my being, creating some space here, touching into my stability, groundedness, and responding from here, taking in the external, being grounded, being open, and then responding to life as it shows up, as it emerges. Allowing for emergence with life. Taking a few moments to consolidate the intention, being grounded in me, touching into the space, the openness in me. I engage with the world, with my inner alignment, with my inner wisdom, with ease. Even when things are hard, as I am aligned to my truth, to my core, there is a sense of ease. If you want to stay here for a few more moments, pause the video. If you feel complete for now, slowly with full awareness, turn your palms towards your knees, gently holding the knees, chin to the chest. Gently allowing the lower back to arch out. And then opening your eyes to your own vehicle, your body. Gently caressing, smiling at your being. Bruce come to say hi and good morning. Um, May you have a beautiful, meaningful, intentional day ahead. And I'll see you in the next practice.